Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make guacamole. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 tomato, 1 onion, about half of a bunch of cilantro, 2 large avocados, salt, and lime juice. First, peel your avocado and place into a bowl. Using the back of your spoon, mash your avocados. Make sure to leave some chunks in there. Next, take your tomato and de-seed it. Then you're going to want to dice it. Add your tomatoes to the bowl of avocados. Next, I'm going to take my onion and I'm only going to use half of it and I'm going to dice it. Then I'm going to place it in a small bowl of water so that the flavor is not too strong. Meanwhile, prepare your cilantro by cutting off the ends and roughly chopping them. Drain your onions and add it to the bowl and then add your cilantro. Season with a teaspoon of salt and a half tablespoon of lime juice. Combine and adjust the seasoning as needed. And that's it. Enjoy with some tortilla chips.